Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. BeamNG Drive updated, your wheel connected, and drivers installed. Plug the wheel directly into USB, power it on, and open the wheel utility to set centering and force limits. Once done, launch BeamNG Drive and go straight to Controls Input Devices to detect the wheel. If the game doesn't list it, reopen drivers or try another USB port. This initial detection step saves time and avoids later calibration issues. You now enable force feedback in the controls menu and explicitly pick your wheel as the active device. Change master strength to a moderate starting value, then tune damper and road effects so feedback isn't twitchy or numb. Next, set frequency and smoothing to reduce clipping. Lower frequency can remove vibration artifacts, while smoothing prevents spikes. Make short test drives after each tweak to feel changes. Iterating quickly helps you find the balance between realism and wheel longevity. Finish by fine-tuning with telemetry and developer options. Scale lateral and longitudinal forces separately to match vehicle weight and tire grip. You should test across several cars and surfaces. Gravel versus tarmac reveals different feedback needs, so adjust per scenario. If you encounter clipping, grinding noises, or no feedback, immediately reduce master strength, check wheel firmware, and confirm the game recognizes the device with exclusive access. One troubleshooting tip: switch USB ports and relaunch the game. That often clears device conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.